Today I will share with you the BMW 650i, E63 and E64 model. I will show you how to reset the oil life. First we're going to insert the key. Then we're going to press one time. On the cluster panel, as you see at the bottom, this is the button right here. You need to press it. So press and hold. And right in the middle, you see that sign. Once this sign appears to this one, release your finger, then press it again, and you see the oil life. Now, we're going to press and hold. And as you can see, it says OK. Now we are reset to 15,000 miles. That's how it's easy to reset your oil life. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If we look at right now on the screen in the middle, engine oil, we are reset to 15,000 miles.